Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see how to get browser history using Python in Ubuntu. So guys, I'm in my Google Chrome. So if you are pressing Ctrl H, you are able to see the histories. Now let us see how we can access these history files through Python. For doing this, I'm going to my terminal here. Just type in cd.config and again cd Google Chrome. So this is the location where our Google Chrome files will be located. If I just type ls list, so I'll be getting some folders, and inside here you need to list default default. So you will be getting some list of files. Here we will be having our history db file. As you can see, this is our file. Now let us see how we can make use of this file to read our history. So for doing this, I'm just going to my working directory. For this we need to install SQLite. Pip install db-sqlite 3. Okay, it says requirement already satisfied. Since I already installed this, now let us jump into the coding part. So I use VI editor here, Vim. You can use as per your choice. Okay guys, and this is the path where our Google Chrome history files are actually being located. Now let us make our connection first. So for doing this, I'm just creating a variable called con and just typing in SQLite 3.connect, and you just need to mention what is the path. After doing this, you just need to build your cursor object. For doing this, you just need to create a new variable c=con.cursor. Now your database object is ready. Now let us build our query. For building our query, we just need to make use of our variable c.execute, and we just need to mention our string. So the SQLite query is going to be like this: select URL, comma, title, comma, visit count, comma, last visit time. Space from URLs. So guys, I'm actually using only 3 columns here. Sorry, it's 4 columns. You can make your own query here. For tutorial purpose, I'm just making use of the 4 columns. So I'm just storing all the results in a variable called results c.fetchAll. So this particular function will help us to fetch all the details as per the query. Now let us print these results by iterating through a for loop. For r in results, print r. So guys, I'll be getting n number of results. I'm just indexing the first 10 results. And at last thing, you just need to make sure that your connection is closed. So for doing that, you just need to type in c.close. Okay, I'm just saving this file. Now let us run this file, python main.py. Okay guys, now you see, so we are getting an error saying that SQLite 3.operation error, database is logged. And make sure guys, you need to close your Google Chrome browser so that you are able to access the Google Chrome files. Now my Google Chrome is actually been closed. Let me run this Python file again to see the results. Okay guys, now you are able to see. So these are my results, history results, HTTP. So these are my first 10 results here. It is just showing. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe us. Thank you.